Hi guys, so here's your lesson for Wednesday, May 6th. Today we're going to talk about real estate taxes on your house. So when you own a home, you'll have to pay city or county real estate taxes. The money collected is used to operate and maintain roads, parks, schools, government offices, and other city expenses. The amount of real estate tax that you pay in 1 year depends on the assessed value of your property and the tax rate. Okay? So every year you pay real estate taxes. And it's based on these two things. The assessed value is found by multiplying the market value of your property by the rate of assessment. The market value is the price at which a house can be bought or sold. An assessor hired by the municipality determines that market value. The rate of assessment is a percent. The tax rate is sometimes expressed in mills per dollar of assessed value of property. A mill is 0.001. When working with mills, it's often convenient to express mills in dollars by dividing by 1,000. So it seems like a lot of information, but basically you have real estate taxes that you have to pay each year, and it's based on the value of your home and the tax rate for where you live. Okay? So here are the three formulas we're going to be working with today. The assessed value, the real estate tax, and mill. So number 1, the Fulton County Assessor determined that the market value of Cortland Farm is $340,000. The rate of assessment in Fulton County is 40% of market value. The tax rate is 50.73 mils. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to use our three formulas. So find the assessed value. The assessed value equals the market value times the rate of assessment. Okay? The market value here is $340 or $340,000 times the rate of assessment. Okay, the rate is always a percentage that we need to turn into a decimal. So 40% equals 0.40 as a decimal. 340,000 times 0.40 gives us $136,000. Okay, that's the value of your home. That's what it's worth. That's what you can either buy or sell a home for. So express the tax rate as a decimal. Well, the tax rate is 50.73. So we're going to take 50.73 and divide it by 1,000. And you get 0.05073. That's the tax rate. To find the real estate tax on your house, we take the tax rate, which we just found as 0.05073, times the assessed value. Okay, so here's the tax rate, here's the assessed value, $136,000. When you multiply them, you should get $6,899.28. That's the taxes you're going to have to pay every year. And usually they split it up so that you're paying a portion of that each month. And they split it up. If you divide that by 12, you can see what you're paying in taxes per month. Some people decide to wait till the end of the year to pay the lump sum, but most people opt to pay it in increments based by month. 2. If the tax rate in a county is 65.50 mils, the market value of a home is $70,000 and the rate of assessment is 40%. Let's find the assessed value. So the assessed value is the market value, which is $70,000, times the rate of assessment. Okay? 40% as a decimal is 0.40. When you multiply those two, you should get $28,000. That's what the property is worth. Express the tax rate as a decimal. Okay, well, the tax rate is 65.5 mils. So 65.50 divided by 1,000 equals 0.06550. The real estate tax, okay, is just the tax rate, which is 0.06550 times the assessed value, $28,000. And when you multiply them, you should get $1,834 is what you're going to have to pay over the course of 1 year. And the last one, number 3. Brenda's home is located in Columbus, Ohio, where the rate of assessment is 35% of the market value. The tax rate is $59.56 per thousand of assessed value. Her home has a market value of $392,000. Find the assessed value. So the assessed value is, again, the market value times the rate of assessment, which is our percentage. So 35% as a decimal is 0.35. We multiply them, and you get $137,200, which is what the home is worth. Part B, express the tax rate as a decimal. Okay, so $59.56 divided by 1,000 gives you 0.05956. And part C, find the real estate tax. So we take the tax rate, 0.05956, and we multiply it by the assessed value, 137,200, and you get $8,171.63 is what you're going to owe every year. Even if you pay off your mortgage and you no longer have a loan, you still have to pay property taxes every year no matter what. Again, think of it as that's what goes into paying our schools, for our roads, our construction workers, things like that. So property taxes have to be paid or you go to jail. Alright guys, that's it for today. Please take a look at the assignment. I'm always available for help, and I will talk to you guys soon.